yes, yes, use it. That's why we built DXL, for non-clinicians to elevate their conversations. So you are going beyond, if you're in home health, OT, PT, speech and nursing, or if you're in in-home care, ADLs, meal prep, bathing, to reach into the current caseload of your referral sources and pluck out the exact client or patient type that you want. If you're in in-home care, one that'll stay with you a long time. An example would be a chronic care condition. If you are in home health, you want a patient that you can serve deeply and get good outcomes on. And if you're in hospice, you want to get that patient early in the terminal disease so that you can serve the family fully. That's the beauty of DXL and diagnosis-based selling. It empowers you to ask for and get the exact referral you want, even if you're not a clinician. The reason why we built Roadmap to Referrals is to increase your comfort level, increase your confidence, so that when you are speaking to medical referral sources, that you elevate your conversation and you're at a peer level with them. You are the home care expert. You are talking about how this disease process impacts this patient or client in the home, and that's where you excel. You are the expert.